Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Crypto with Wasim, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about Forsage, a huge earning potential platform. I believe most of you all have heard of Forsage, maybe from a colleague or a friend, and maybe you all are thinking that it's too late to join in now, but no, it isn't. You can still join in and make a good earnings. Well, before we start, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. Let's get started. So what is Forsage, or how the Forsage metric works? Forsage metrics is a closed system without any deadlines for slots. There are a lot of smart contracts that I've seen that have deadlines. When you upgrade, you have a time limit, but here you don't have any time limits and you can enjoy your earnings for lifetime. In the metrics, for referral link is fixed the person who is invited you. So you get into the system with a referral link from the person who has invited you. In the Forsage there are two metrics that the Forsage works on, which is Forsage X3 program and Forsage X4 program. Okay. Below you are two places in the first line and 4 places in the. So in X3 this is a slot and these are the positions. So in X3 you have 3 positions or 3 referrals that you can bring in, and in 4, 2 in the above level and 4 in the level 2. All right. In each of these two programs, Forsage X3 and X4 have 12 slots. So you can see this is the X3 metrics and this is the X4, and they both have a 12 slot each, and they both work in the same pattern with some twist here and there. Each subsequent slot is 2 times more expensive. So as you can see, each slot gets twice expensive. So it is here 0.05, so the next slot becomes 0.01. okay, so each slot become expensive every time that you want to buy, but both income and profit from them are twice as high. Say for example you have bought this from for 0.1, so you make 0.2 out of over here. Okay, how many slots can be activated immediately? I would say you can activate it one by one or activate it all at one go. It is up to each individual strategy, whatever she or he wants to use. I would suggest for the new people to crypto world, or the people who want to test the system first, can go with 3 in X3 and 3 in X4, which will be costing you 0.35 plus gas fees. And for leaders, I would suggest go with 5 in X3 and 5 in X4, which will cost you 0.75, I guess. 0.75 with some gas fees. Okay, they have no expiration date. So basically each slots, when you buy, every slot that you buy has no expiration date, so you can make an earning out of these slots for lifetime, as long as you're interested in making earning out of from them. Okay, let's get to know about registration. The first slot of each program costs 0.025 Ethereum. They are brought together separately. The first slot cannot be taken. What they're trying to say is, when you get into the system, accordingly you start to the metrics in generally 0.05 Ethereum. So you get into the system with a minimum investment of 0.05, which gets splitted up by default. Half of it goes in Forsage X3 and half of it goes in Forsage X4, the first slots of each. Okay, it gets split up, as you can see. And they're also trying to say that you cannot skip either of one. So you cannot just buy one and say I would like to skip the second one. No, by default your investment gets split up over here. How the Forsage X3 works. So this is your upline or your superior partner, okay, or the person who has invited you. This is you below him. You can see different colors, right? Okay, so the first referral partner takes a place under you. 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. When you bring your first referral, he sits in the first position and that payment goes to your personal wallet. The second referral partner takes second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. The second person when joins you, he sits in the second position and the payment goes to you. When the third partner takes the third place below you, you again receive 100% income, but in the form of reinvest. Okay. So the reinvest triggers over here. Okay, which means it will make you eligible to start all over again. So when he sits over here, he makes 100% payment, but that payment goes to your upline and he makes a reinvest, and he basically opens up all the three positions for you, so you can make an reinvest. Right. For such, X4 matrix also works in a similar manner with some twist. Okay, so again, this is your superior partner, your upline, and this is you. 1-2 partners who takes 2 places below you in the first line are 2 places in the second line of the higher. 100% payment goes to the wallet of your higher partner. What they're trying to say is the first 2 referrals that you bring in will be sitting under your superior, so the payment of these 2 will go directly to your superior partner, your upline. Okay, 3, 4, 5, they will sit over here. These 3 referrals will sit over here, and that payment will go to your direct wallet. Okay, your personal wallet. And the last payout is the closing slot, and it also makes a reinvest, buying you the same slot again, and the payment of the 100% is transferred to your higher partner. So again, the reinvest triggers over here again. Okay, and that payment goes to your upline, and he makes these positions empty again, so you can again bring in more referrals. So here are the details of reinvest. Okay, reinvest is the reopening of the slot at the current level. Reinvest is basically, it opens up the purchase slot. Whenever there is a reinvest, you see the similar icon over here, as you can see. Okay, it happens automatically, and it happens unlimited number of times. So this will happen every time you bring in a referral. You don't have to do anything manually, it happens automatically. What is upgrade? Okay, upgrade has 2 concepts over here. It comes with 2 concepts, which is lost profit and extra profit. Supposing if you are in level 2, okay, if you are in level 2 and your downline, this one, okay, this is one moves to the level 3, then you miss your level 3 from your downline. Okay, and it goes to your upline. So to avoid this, you need to keep buying the levels before your downline does. Whatever you are missing from a downline is termed as lost profit. I hope that was clear. When extra profit is like if you have missed here, okay, if you have missed here, it will go to your upline. So the person above you will be at extra profit. So you need to keep an eye, okay, always keep an eye on your downline. Okay, like I already mentioned you, always for the newbies, like I had mentioned, always start with 3 levels in X3 and 3 levels in X4, and for the team leaders, like I had mentioned, you all can always start with 5 in X3 and 5 in X4. Alright, and always ask your referrals or the people that you have invited to duplicate you. Alright, let's get to know what is overflows, overtaking, and returns. You can see here different color codes. Yeah? So this color is your personal partner, this one. Okay, this is your direct referral over here. This one, overflow, personally invited partner of your superior. It means that this is your superior's partner. It's a spillover from top, from your superior partner. Overflow from below, personally invited partner of a downline. This one, okay, when the slot of your superior is say filled up, it comes and sits in your position, okay, and when this person is invited, it comes and sits over here. So this is basically from your below, your downline, okay. And this pink color, partner who overtook his superior, partner who has overtaken his superior. It means partner has moved on a higher grade before his superior or his upline, okay. As simple, say for example, his superior has only bought these 2 slots, but this partner, okay, has without his knowing has bought the 3rd slot. Either it could be in X3 or a X4, okay. And finally, they have explained about the definitions. Superior partner, the person whose referral link you have registered for. Basically your superior or whoever has invited you. Referral partner, a partner registered with your referral link, basically your downline. Upgrade is the opening is the opening of the next slot of a more expensive level. Reinvest is an automatic reopening of the slot of the current. Okay, I have already explained. Loss profit, payment left to a higher partner due to the lack of an upgrade to a more expensive slot. If you have not upgraded on time before your downline does, then you are at a loss profit. Extra profit is just the opposite of it. Overflow from a superior, a partner of your superior partner, a partner of your superior partner who has closed a place in your slot. So like I explained over here, this is from your overflow from your superior. Overflow from a downstream, a partner of your downline who has closed a place in your slot. This is from your sponsor, and this is one leg down below your sponsor. Okay, and overtaking, the purchase by a lower partner of a more expensive site which you don't have yet. Okay, so that was it, guys. I believe I have explained it as in a very simple manner as I could. Okay, so basically this is not the dashboard, this is all the instruction page, I would say. Okay, let me take you to the dashboard. This is my personal dashboard, this is my user ID. Okay, this is a very powerful platform where you can make huge earnings. Okay, as you can already see, right, in this program so far, more than 853,000 users are already registered. In last 24 hours, more than 4,000 people have already joined the system. Okay, Ethereum wise, more than 675,000 Ethereum people have earned, and if we talk in term of dollars, more than $260 million people have earned. So everything is quite visible over here. Okay, I have joined the system maybe almost 3 weeks, and I already have 2 people, and I have already got my more than my invested amount. Like I was saying, this is the X3 program, okay, and this is the X4. These are my direct referrals. So X3 is basically your own earning. So if you put in your hard work and you bring in people, you're gonna earn. Okay, it's your own hard work. If you don't work, you don't make earning. Simple as that. And this is the X4. Over here, you work as a family. You can get spillover from your superior, you get overflow from your downline. Okay, so this is how it works. So these are my directs. This is in spillover I got. This is his downline. Yeah, this is my direct, this is his downline. So you see, this is how the program works. In term of purchasing the slot, as you can see, when you click on this cart, okay, it will take you to the payment page. It will ask you for the confirmation. It will along with the 0.2, there will be some gas fees that you will have to pay. So once you confirm, you have purchased that slot. Yeah. Like I had mentioned, for the newbies, you all can always start with 3 in the top and 3 in bottom, and for leaders you can straight away start with 5 on top and 5 on down, and ask your team or your referrals to duplicate you. Yeah. So that was all. Everything is quite visible here. So I would suggest you not to waste any more time and join the system. Okay, if you want to join under me, I will put down my referral link in the description. You can even if you have more questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or I'll also put down my contact details in the description if you want to contact me personally. Yeah. So that was the video, guys. If you have liked this video, please like the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Also do mention in the comment section how did you like this video, or if you have any more questions, yeah, put it down in the comment section. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this, I end this video. Thank you so much and take care, friends.